This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Brian Sadler. Welcome home to this quaint 1924 bungalow-style home near downtown Tampa, just minutes to Hyde Park, Soho, Channelside, and Bayshore to name a few. This home has it all: recently restored original hardwood flooring, updated new bathroom, fireplace, built-in custom cabinets, 10 ceilings with new ceiling fans, new kitchen appliances, new large back deck with fully fenced, in large backyard with vinyl fencing. Single-car garage fully equipped with a washer and dryer. This home is located in one of Tampa's best school districts, Mitchell Elementary, Wilson Middle School, and Plant High School. This home won't last long, so come and see it before it's gone. Please email all offers using the Florida as his residential contract for sale and purchase, along with a pre-approval letter or for proof of funds. Please submit highest and best offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Brian Sadler at 813-638-4970.